Okay, so this is a demo video for how to use formatting and cleanup for Eclipse. What we do is we open up our file. So this is our current Git repo, and we can look at any particular file like this one. So there are two functions. There's cleanup and refactor, and I'll show first how to launch those. It's source window, and then it is so these are the windows. It's let's see, format, and then there's also cleanup. These are the main ones. So the default hotkey for format is Control-Shift-F, and there's no I guess default hotkey for that. And I don't think it matters what order you do them, but to clean up a particular file, you select that file in the navigator, so community type. Then you go to source, and you do format, and it formatted the breaks there. And then you do cleanup, and it will say, it'll give you the project to clean up, and then you go next and finish. You could just push finish.
So what is the cleanup?
Oh, the cleanup, yeah, I'll show what the format and cleanup actually do in a second. I just wanted to show how to use them first. And then here's the main bit, is if you get out of here and you close all, and then you select the project itself, and then you do source format, and then you do source cleanup, then that means that it'll apply cleanup and format to all of the files in the project. So you don't have to go one by one. You can do this operation, select this, and then cleanup and format in one step. So now I'll show what cleanup and format do and are. So go to Preferences, and then Java, and then Appearance, or rather Code Style, and here's cleanup. So let's, I've already created this thing, but let's say that I'm starting afresh, and I wanna fill up my profile. So what I wanna do is I will do import, and then here I have it in recently used, but we can go to our project directory. For me, it's projects, and it's under value 1 and that, and then we have these two things. So I want to be careful to choose cleanup in the cleanup import, not the other one. So I do cleanup, and we will say test for now. We'll rename it, whatever. Okay. And then let's actually talk about what that is. So let's do edit the profile. And it's just a little wizard. You go into code organization, and you can see a little example. It's actually pretty nice how they did it. Here's an example. Sort members. Do you want to sort within the file? And then so we said yes, sort members. But if I don't click it, you see it changes the bar, foo and bar down there. And then if I say sort all members, then it does it in a different way. And just some style choices. Let's say organize imports versus not. So over here it changes that. Correct indentation versus not. And then there's other stuff, code style. So I picked things in these default styles the way I like them, but I actually don't care at all. We just need a style.
Oh,
yeah.
Looks fine. So.
Okay, and then you can say always, never, only if necessary, and just go through this little wizard, and that generates an XML for you. Missing code, add unimplemented methods. Maybe if you don't like that, you can remove that, and so forth, so forth. So okay,
Nice.
And then let's also go. So I don't know why they actually cut it up like this.
When it says add unimplemented methods, does that mean it throws an error for the ones that it's?
No, it just makes defaults overwrite, and so it just says all the overwritten methods that need to be overwritten for import and all these things. It just plops them in and return null, or just the basic stuff you need to get it going. So, and then it throws those in there if you tick that, and then you can go in and change them however you like. It just makes sure that all of the methods that should be there are there.
Okay, that sounds like it's potential for. Anyway.
Well, untick it, and I'm fine with you if you want to untick it. Then I don't,
Okay.
No problem. So then again, let's do import, and then clean formatter now. So yeah, so then I'm going to test, and then that's over here in the code style appearance. And then again, edit, and then now there's a ton of options. You don't want to go into all this. This is in declarations within, spacing, more styles, this is how you're gonna do indentation.
Mhm.
So I always do, the one thing I'm kind of insistent on is spaces only, because if you do Vim with tabs, it's a freaking mess.
So you're using tabs.
I'm using spaces now, it's all converted to spaces now.
Okay.
No tabs, your tabs will be converted to spaces by these things.
So
So-
when you click format, it'll.
So-
Yes, it will convert them automatically, correct.
So what if my tabs are like, does it know that?
No,
tabs
it
are-
doesn't. It says your tabs are 4 spaces
I
here
see.
specified. And then braces, you can select whatever you like. I didn't change this. And then white space, again, at like unreasonable levels of detail. Just go in and do what you like. And this is the number of blank lines, new lines. You get the picture. Just go through the wizards if you like, or go through the XML and turn on or off whatever you like, and I'm fine with it. As long as we have some standards that we always use. And so then, okay, and one more time, let's go to select our project, and we do source, and then we do format, and it formats it, and then we source, and then cleanup, and then we do finish, we just do finish, and it'll go. And soon, I'm hoping someone will be able to take on the task, maybe me, of automating this so that it happens on code submission. So yeah, but until then, please do these 2 functions before you submit and merge into master, because we should have all our code according to some standards, a standard. Okay, that's it. That's it.